Just got the new Proton Physix. Gonna try to drill it up and see how it reacts. What I'm doing here now is I'm gonna insert the IT from viseinserts. It's the interchangeable thumb. I have this in all my equipment. They've been just amazing to use, and wish I would have gone to these a lot earlier in my career, but I'm glad I'm on staff and now I've been able to start putting them in everything I have, and it's just been a great tool to use. Now I'm inserting the ballet expander to connect to the ballet, so we have a good connection at the bottom when I install my interchangeable thumb to go from ball to ball. Okay, so there you have it. Just finished drilling up the Proton Physix with the IT system, interchangeable thumb. Got silicone inserts, vice inserts, and the layout was 4.5 by 4 by 3. And we'll see what happens on the lanes.